In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn push notifications on or off in Google Maps. First, open the Google Maps app and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, select Settings, then tap Notifications. Here, you'll see different notification categories, such as navigation alerts, traffic updates, recommendations, nearby places, and other Google Maps updates. Simply tap a category and turn the notification toggle on or off based on your preference. You can customize each type of notification separately, allowing you to receive important alerts while disabling notifications you don't need. If notifications still aren't working correctly, check your phone's notification settings and make sure Google Maps has permission to send notifications. You may also want to disable battery-saving features that can prevent notifications from arriving on time. Once you've made your changes, your settings will be saved automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.